Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys had a good Christmas, and if this video is up by then, a Happy New Year. But anyway, I ordered some, I guess they would call them eyebrows, off of eBay UK. So it came from Ireland. So this is what they are. Just pretty much covers the grill here. It gives the headlight a little aggressive look. So when I got the package, it was cracked right here, so I put some plastic weld on here. It's all dried up now, so I'm gonna have to sand that down to make it more flush. And there's any clips or anything on this. So basically, I'm gonna glue this down to this with plastic weld. So I'm gonna scuff this up with some sandpaper, plastic weld this down here, and I'm gonna work on sanding this down. So I'm not 100% sure if I should do this on the car or not. I'm gonna have to see what kind of clamps I have to hold this down first. But if not, I'll just take it off and do it on the bench. I decided to do this off the car, so I removed the grill, which is only 2 screws and some clips on the back. This is fairly easy to line up. It goes right into place. So what I'm going to do, take some 220, sand this down, sand a little bit on the bottom right here. That way it has some grooves for the plastic weld to adhere to. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now I just have to wait like 15-20 minutes for this glue to dry. I have it clamped down pretty well, or at least I think I do. So I'm just going to let this dry, and then we'll come back and we'll mock this up into place. We'll tape off the headlight and we'll start to sand right here to make this smoother. Glue's all dried, so basically I just have this sitting on here. It's not screwed in or anything. I have the headlights taped off on both sides, so I can use the headlight as actual support to sand this, because it's kind of flimsy, it's not that thick. So I'm going to sand that down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bumpy from the glue. Just want to make it a lot smoother, and sand all this down except for the back half of the grill. I'm going to tape that off and do that the regular OEM black, and we're going to end up priming this. So I got it sanded down and I put a layer of primer on it. I did find another small hairline crack right there that I have to fix. And then, I don't know if you could see that, but there's like little bubbles in the primer. So that just means the release agent from this fiberglass wasn't all the way off. So I guess I didn't sand it good enough. But it's not a big deal, because I'm going to have to sand it back down to fix that crack right there. But it'll do for now, because eventually I'm going to wrap or paint the car or something. I have no clue what I want to do to it yet. So I'm just going to let this dry for a couple minutes, and I'll show you how to install this. To install this, I have a piece of double-sided tape on each end. Pretty self-explanatory. You put the grill back in, line up the clips. I'll put these screws in before I push down the double-sided tape, and then we'll be good to go. So there it is, all installed. I don't know, it just gives the car a little bit different look. You know, most people just rock the standard grille, but I kind of like the way this looks. Always been into the little aggressive cut for the headlights. and I thought that this was pretty neat because it incorporates the grill. So in the future I'll probably go back and fix that hairline crack. It doesn't line up too bad. This was only like 30 or 40 bucks. But I know this install wasn't that exciting. It's pretty straightforward. But I'm trying to keep the content coming, keep you guys up to date what's going on with the car. I'm not really too sure what's going to happen next. I'll probably give you guys an update video next week, what my plans are for 2020. But if you have any questions about this, or you need the link where I got it from, just hit me up in the comments below. Feel free to like and share this video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.